Alright, boys, let's go. Alright. Rise from the shadows, I know.
Echo. Hi guys, my name is Renzi. I am James. Hello po, ako si Spear.
Hi everyone, my name is...
Hi, ako po si Nick.
Oh, hello everyone, this is Josh. What's up? This is Josh. This is our... Echo. Ayan. What's up, Robinson Sleeper?
Grabe tayo ba ng tao ngayon?
Oo nga eh. Yung first time natin dito sa Batangas mag-show. Mall show. Mall show. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Kumain na ba kayo? Di pa. Ay, huwag kayo mo papagutom ng ganyan.
Kuwan tayo.
Hello. Kung wala nagpapaalala sa inyo na kumain na po kayo. Pero after pa ng Anyway, ano nga yung perform natin kanina?
Ano ba ito, Marcus? Yes, actually, may kanina ay aming pre-debut song, which is LNS or Leron Leron Si Tayo, now available on all music streaming platforms. And of course, pag may pre-debut, may debut. Yes, sana po ay sabay-sabay niyo po aming supportahan as we step into a new chapter of our journey on August 2026. Yes po, that will be our debut month.
I'm so excited. So sana meron dito makapunta pag nagkaroon tayo ng showcase.
Sana.
At para mas updated saan na tayo may follow?
You can follow us po at This Is Our Echo on all social media platforms.
Ayan. So sana po ma-follow niyo po kami sa aming social media platforms. And before our last song, of course, we would like to thank the following, first and foremost. Robinson Slima, thank you so much for giving us stage para makapag-perform po kami ng aming talento and to share what P-pop is. Second, of course, ang aming baby mama. Ayan, thank you so much, mama, for always including us. Yes, isa po kami sa favorite niya, sabi niya kanina.
Sabi niya.
Naglag lang. And syempre, kakalimutan ba natin ito? Syempre, ating major sponsor na nag-aalaga ng ating skin at pinoprotektahan ng ating skin sa mga UV rays. Ayan. So if you want to experience the beauty of life, gumamit na kayo ng Beauty Wise. Ayan. Naipasok. So yeah, so for our next song, meron po ba dito mga SB19 fans? So dito mga SB. Marami. So dapat intro pa lang. Sasayaw na kayo
Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Ikaw na lang.
Let's get it! original, no? Anyway, once again, this is George.
I'm James.
This is Harris. Hi guys, my name is Renzi.
This is Josh.
Hi, this is Ming. Ako po si Spear.
And this has been... Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Follow us.